Hey guys, it's your girl Christina with On Cue Makeup. As you can see from the title, this tutorial is a little bit different. I'm going to actually show you how I take my makeup off. I know I get a lot of questions about the proper products to use for skincare and to remove your makeup. Because I know a lot of times people wear makeup, you get your pores clogged, and it's always good to keep your face as clean as possible and also remove your makeup as much as you can. So that's why I suggest using a cleanser first to remove your makeup. Well, not a cleanser, a makeup remover to remove your makeup, and then of course your face wash and moisturizer and everything like that. So I know I always talk about skincare, but I did recently find something that really works for my skin, and it doesn't cause me to break out. It's not too harsh or anything like that. So you're going to see those products in this video, and I'm going to show you step by step what I do. I'm also going to leave everything in the description box, as well as a link to actually purchase the products. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you. Okay, of course I had to pin my hair up because I like to have all of my hair out of my face before I actually wash my face so I can really get into it. First, I'm going to start off with the cleansing water that I use to actually remove my makeup off. Here, as you can see, I'm using a paper towel to remove my makeup. Reason being is because I don't like all the chemicals from the detergents and the fabric softeners that's in my towels. I don't want to get them on my face, so I use something light and soft like a paper towel. I know it looks like I'm kind of scrubbing a little bit hard, but that's only because I sped up the video. I'm actually doing it really light. The cleanser is so good that I don't have to scrub or anything, just removing it in a circular outward motion. Okay, now I'm at the sink and I'm going to dampen my face with water just to soften it up and to activate the cleanser. The cleanser that I'm using is by Dermalogica. This one is called their Special Cleansing Gel. It's for all skin types, whether you're oily, normal, or even dry. It's a soap-free gel that really deep cleanses the skin and really gets into the pores and cleans them without leaving the skin feeling too tight or dry. Now I'm going to rinse my face really good, and I'm going to use my Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. This product here as well is for all skin types. It's like a rice-based powder that microfoliates the dulling debris that sometimes build up on our skin. And once you're finished, it leaves your skin like noticeably smoother and brighter. It is safe enough to use it daily for me because I'm super sensitive and I'm just trying to be careful with how I use my products. I only use it probably like once every 2 days. And as you can see, I'm just lightly rubbing it into my skin in a circular motion, just really trying to clean that top layer off as soft as possible because I don't want to damage it by doing it too rough. Now I'm going to rinse that off my face really well. One of the keys is that you rinse all of the product off because you don't want to leave any residue on the skin, because that as well can ultimately cause breakouts. So here I'm just kind of patting my face dry, just to get all the water and residue off. And now I'm going to start using my multi-active toner by Dermalogica. This is a really light facial spritz that instantly hydrates and refreshes the skin. I also like to use it because it helps penetrate my moisturizer just a little bit more. Now that it's nighttime, I'm going to use the Sound Sleep Cocoon by Dermalogica. It's a transformative night gel cream, and it helps repair and restore the skin as you sleep. And as you can see, I'm just smoothing it over my face in an outward motion, and as well as my neck area. It really has my skin feeling very soft, and in the morning when I wake up, it's still in the same condition. Okay, last but not least, I'm using the nightly lip treatment. It actually helps smooth your lips and kind of take away the feather lines and smile lines that we tend to get over time. So that's it for my skincare regimen. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you guys definitely need these products, and I will have the link below.